Welcome back in here to Live and Now from Fox. I'm Andy Mack. We do have some breaking news right now as the son of the sitting president has a jury there before him. 12 individuals there seated on Monday in a federal gun case against Hunter Biden. I want to put up this tweet from the Associated Press here on Live Now from Fox as we detail it as prospective candidates were questioned on their thoughts about gun rights, drug addiction, while the First Lady watched from the front row of the courtroom in a show of support for her son. Opening statements will begin on Tuesday. A jury of 12 panelists and 4 alternates selected here in this one day. Hunter Biden, who spent the weekend with his parents, has been charged in Delaware with 3 felony counts stemming from a 2018 firearm purchase when he was, according to his memoir, in the throes of a crack addiction. He has been accused of lying to a federally licensed gun dealer, making a false claim on an application by saying he was not a drug user, and illegally having a gun for 11 days. For more on this, as the jury selection was happening today, opening statements tomorrow, here's Rebecca Castor with more from Delaware.
After the collapse of a plea deal last year, Hunter Biden's federal gun case began Monday with jury selection. The first of 2 legal battles for Hunter Biden is now underway in Delaware, and the first family is showing their support. Attorneys working through a pool of 250 potential jurors Monday to find 12 who will decide if Hunter is guilty of illegally possessing a firearm while also being addicted to drugs, which is against federal law. Hunter pleaded not guilty but has been open about his struggles with addiction.
It's a case that's pretty overwhelming, that's only become more overwhelming with time as Hunter has made a lot of statements about the condition he was in at that time.
In the courtroom, prospective jurors were questioned about their feelings on gun rights, addiction, and the Biden family, as First Lady Jill Biden sat in the front row. President Biden not in the courtroom, but sharing in a statement, quote, "As a dad, I have boundless love for my son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength."
Joe Biden has made a real conspicuous display of being alongside his son the last 2 weeks.
The president's son also faces a September trial in California on felony tax charges. Despite their high-profile nature, some Democrats say they don't expect Hunter's legal issues to have an impact on November's election.
He's not the president of the United States, and he's not a public figure. So Hunter Biden should be held accountable for whatever he's done.
If convicted on the gun charges, Hunter Biden faces a maximum of 25 years in prison. In Wilmington, Delaware, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.
All right, thank you so much. We're following that latest developments as a jury has now been seated, and this comes in contrast to what happened last week with the former President Donald Trump convicted on those 34 felony counts. President Biden saying after that, saying no one is above the law. So Hunter Biden now on trial, opening statements beginning tomorrow morning. We'll have full coverage of that later on tonight, hearing from different legal experts, and then as opening statements begin, we'll have you there as well.